Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Sharmina Saleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about formatting Excel table. In this lesson, you should be able to state the ways on how to format Excel table, identify the commands used to modify the vertical and horizontal text alignments. Many of the commands you will use to format text can be found in font alignment and number groups on the ribbon. Font groups or font command lets you change the style, size, and color of the text. To change the font, first we need to enter a content. Select one specific active cell that you want to enter a content. For example, we're going to enter a content on cell A1. Let's enter the word computer. Okay, I'm just going to zoom it in for you to be able to see the different commands to be applied on the content that we are going to apply on the spreadsheet table. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes for the Zoom application to enter this one. Okay, just like it's going to adjust the Zoom slider and let's enter or let's slide it up. Okay, as you can see, this is the content of cell A1. Select the cell you want to modify, just like the cell A1. Click the drop-down arrow next to the font command. On the Home tab, the font drop-down menu appears. Okay, that's for us to be able to apply the different commands that we can use on the font group on your Home tab. Let's highlight first the data inside the specific cell that we are going to use. Okay, let's highlight the data on cell A1. And for you to be able to change the font style, select or use the font style command. Just select the drop down arrow and choose any type of font that you want to apply on the content. For example, I'm going to apply Algerian. As you can see, the font type is already applied on the text. For you to be able to change the size, just select the font size and choose whether you want to change it into a small type of letters or into a large type of letters or large size of letters on your cell. Okay, if you are going to use a higher value of number, the size of the text will be larger. But if you are going to use a lower value of number, the size of the text will be smaller. Okay, for us, we're just going to use number 16 for the text, or let's change it into number 14. Okay, as you can see it here now, the font size is already applied on the content on our cell. Okay, for you to be able to change the color of the text, you're just going to use the font color command. Select the drop down arrow here and choose whatever type of color you want to apply on the color of the text inside the cell. For example, I'm going to use this yellow shade. As you can see, the color is applied on the text. That is how you are going to change the font type, font size, and font color of the content of your cell. But if you want to apply a bold command, just select it, and as you can see, the bolder, okay, the text become thicker. Okay, the lines of the text become thicker when applying, or if you want to apply the bold command. If you want to apply the italic, you're just going to select the italic command to italize the letter. As you can see, the italic command is already applied on the text. If you want to apply an underline command on the text or underline effect, just select the underline command. Okay, the underline command is already applied on the text, but if you want to change the style of the underline, you're just going to select the drop down arrow here beside the underline command and choose either if you want to just underline it once or double the underline effect of the text. That is how you are going to apply the different types of commands that you can use on the font group of your home tab in Excel program. To change horizontal text alignment, select the cell you want to modify. For example, cell A1. Select one of the three horizontal alignment commands on the home tab. We're going to select three of the horizontal commands that we can use it here on the home tab. We're going to use specifically the alignment group. We have align text center. We also have align text left and align text right. If you want to modify your text here, we can even merge, okay? We can even merge cell A1 into cell B1 for us to be able to apply the alignment that we want to use on the text. First, for us to be able to merge the cells, let's highlight cell A1 until cell B1. After highlighting, select Merge and Center. As you can see it here, cell A1 and cell B1 is merged. And we can now apply a left align or align left. As you can see, as we or as I select align left command, the text will move on the left corner of your cell. But if I'm going to select center, it will move at the center. If I'm going to move it at the right side or align right, it will move at the right corner of the cell. That is how, or these are the different steps on formulating or formatting Excel table using your Microsoft Excel application. If you have any questions regarding our topic for today, don't hesitate to message me in our LMS. Once again, this is teacher Charmina Zareda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.